Welcome to the mirror simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the reflection of light using a mirror. Use the top middle menu options to select a concave, convex, or plane mirror. Choose the object to be reflected using the top left menu drop-down. Select and drag the object right or left to various distances away from the mirror to complete measurements and collect data. The top right menu provides tools for measuring distances associated with both the image and the object. Use the bottom menu to change the radius of curvature or the diameter of the mirror. The Rays menu option gives you displays of some, many, or no rays. Select the orange Reset button to return the screen to its original state.